verses are poetic. I'm the dude they love to mimic. Every lyric is a relic. Oh, you rappers are pathetic. Painting pictures so dramatic. I'm an addict with the pen. I don't rep the good side. I'm just here to get my money. I'm the real deal, homie. Get inside my intuition. I'm murderous with this vision. I might just murder what you wishing and devour your dreams. I'm only waiting for the green. You ain't on our level. You ain't messing with my team. Khasi blow it till I die. We gon' wake the streets supreme. Everything is so whack. I quarantine the whole scene. And murder all you faggots. I'm a killing machine. Every rhyme is superb. I'm fast killing your dreams. My metaphor is so sharp. They can cut out this spleen. It means lyrically I put your mind in a maze. Leave it wondering for days. And I'ma knee you in the neck. Leave you broken.